Hey guys, hope everyone are doing great. I purchased this press-on nails from an Instagram store called Kiss Beauty. These are easily accessible to anyone. Instant can be applied and removed at comfort at your home. It also comes with tools and instruction manual. The packaging looks extremely cute with this blush pink box which contains reusable set of 24 nails. It looks so cute. But yes, it was pretty too long in real life. Maybe that's how I selected it, but trust me, they have amazing collection with them. Definitely picking short ones next time. Thank you. Goodbye.